Hello everyone, my name is Sunny. I'm from Sydney, Australia. On last video, I introduced the compact size lawnmower. Now here is his big brother. When the compact one, you run out of battery, you can continue to use this one. What you need is an angle grinder and two wheels from the children bicycle, a system wheel. You cut it off a little bit and then you can use it later on the end to put wheels on it. And the other one is a tray, a stainless steel tray. You can use it as a protector. On the other version, there's no protector. I believe this is the best one. And what you need is you put a switch and then use a piece of metal to connect. In the tray, you need to cut a little bit in here and bend. On the other end, you make flat. And the line is a match on the end, so you can use it as a grass trimmer. So, how is performance? Let's have a look. I think this one is very good for the tall grass. Okay, let's go. Thank you for watching.